Hey guys, today we have an unusual review, a quick and fun tour of my car. I know you love snooping around other people's cars. Not literally, of course, but you get it. So let's check out what interesting things I've got in here. You know, we all have some weird stuff in our cars, and I'm no exception. So it's time to see what my car is hiding. First up, my sunglasses. I can't handle the sun without these. Oh, and here is a dress I keep on hand, just in case. You never know when a meeting or a surprise event will pop up. Looks like I'm always prepared for anything, even when I don't plan it. Next is my thermos. It's my #1 friend. Can't go anywhere without coffee. And a water bottle, because sometimes you have to drink something healthy. A phone charger is a must-have. With the pace of my life, my phone dies faster than you can finish your coffee. Yeah, I'm even prepared for a nap in the car. Blanket, neck pillow, and a flashlight. Maybe I'm going camping, who knows? In each door, I have my stash of hand sanitizer and wipes. So no matter who gets in my car, your hands will be always clean. And here is my bag that literally saves me. It's got everything I need, but honestly, it contains up your house. The bag is a whole world where you can find everything, except order. And of course, spare shoes, an essential. If my feet get tired, I always have something more comfortable. Oh, and these are my fairy wings. What? There's always a little magic in my life, literally. Gum. I've got a whole collection, 5 different packs, for every mood. Honestly, I'm starting to worry about myself. I'm ready for anything. I've got an umbrella and a hairdryer. So there you have it. Now you know what's hiding in my car. As you can see, a little bit of everything, from fairy wings to a phone charger. What about you? What do you keep in your car? Let me know in the comments. Maybe we've got something in common. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!